September, week 4, math, 2nd grade, long multiplication with the special analysis paper. We're going to write 312 times 24. 312 has 2 units touching the green line, 110 touching the blue line, and 300s touching the red line. Good. You're fine, Andrew. Now we're going to write times 24, so the 4 goes right under the 2. Okay, everybody? Put the 4 right under the 2, touching the green line. Then there's the 2 10s. Those are going to go right under the 110 in the multiplicand. And we need what kind of sign? Times. And then we're going to make a line. And somewhere near there, can you make a bubble and write the problem, which is MH. Dave has one you can use. So let me see what you've written so far. That looks good. Good. Andrew, that looks wonderful. Good, Older. Jude, no, just the 2 has to be on a blue line, that's all. It's not horrible. Do you want me to go straight for you? Do you want me to go straight? Sure. While I'm ghostwriting for Jude, can I ask you guys a question? Which number are we going to analyze?
The longer one.
That's it. It's called the multiplicand.
Oh, we see it in the sand.
And it's where? It sits in the sand. Good. The multiplicand lies in the sand.
No, it sits in the sand. Where's the multiplier?
How many units in the multiplicand? Good. Who said that? Good. So over here in analysis land, put a 2 touching the green line because it's 2 units. How many 10s in the multiplicand? Miss Jana? Thanks. 1. Underneath the 2, please put a 0 for the units and a 1 on the blue line. That's a 10. So what's under the 2?
A 0.
0. Good. 0. The 1 goes on the blue line. Looking at the multiplicand again, how many hundreds does it have? This time we're going to let Jude answer. Looking at the multiplicand, Jude, how many hundreds does it have?
3.
Good. We're going to put no extra units, no extra 10s, but 300s on the red line. What are we doing to the multiplicand over here? It tells us we are
Multiplying it.
yes, good, Older. We're multiplying it by units or 10s first, Older?
Units.
So we're going to make a duck beak. And how many units does it say we're doing? No, 2 is the 10s. 4, good. 4 units, okay? Alexis looked at the multiplier. She saw it says 20. Miss Jana, she said she saw that it says 24. And she said that's got 4 units. So you're going to put times 4. Next, do you really want to make 2 units, 110 and 300s, 2 10s of times? That's 20 times. you want to on the bead frames?
No.
No, that's a pain, you know, I mean, it would be really easy to mess up. So what can we do? What's our little magic trick? Who remembers? Grayson. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear Grayson because somebody was talking. Add a 0 and then that is a 10 of times, right? You guys remember? So you're going to get a red, and I'm going to kind of toss them out to you. Get a red. And you're going to put a red 0 and magically change the 2 units into what? What is it going to change into? 2 units. It's going to change into 2 tens. Because we're making them a 10 of times. That's what happens to them. And do you remember last time we even skip counted our 2s to check if that did happen? Do you guys remember that?
Yeah.
We went like to 10 of them. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. It really is. 2, 10 times is 20. Okay? So that was a lot quicker than doing it on the bead frame, right? So what's going to happen to our 110 if we make it tens of times? What's it going to change it to? The 110. Remember, you're just going to add a 0, so what's it going to change it to?
100.
Yes! It's going to change into 100. So you're going to put a red 0 on the green line, and next to it write your 10 with a black 0 and a 1, and all of a sudden you'll see that the 1 is sitting on the hundreds. The 110 became 100. What's going to happen to the 300s if we make them tens of times? What are they going to become?
3,000.
Wow. Is he right?
Yes.
Yes, he is. So you're going to write a red 0, and then, look, 2 black 0s. 1, 2. And then your 3, which used to be on the red 100 side, is going all the way over to the green units of thousands line. Yeah. You changed your 300s to 3,000s. Okay. Now be very careful though, because are we only going to make it 1 10 a time? Look over here. No. How many tens a times?
4.
Nope, that's units. How many tens? 2 tens a times. If you look over here at the multiplier, everybody put your finger on the multiplier. Even Jude, I've kind of got yours ghost written. So go over here and find your multiplier, Jude. It's this number, 24. How many tens does it show?
I can't.
2. All of you say it. 2. It's got 2 tens. So you do have to make the 2. You just took care of the tens, but it's 2 of them. So make a duck beak and put times 2. And Jude, that's the one thing you still need to do. Times 2. Over here, buddy. Yeah, there, put a times 2. Okay, now it's time to put pencils down. We're not going to need them for a while. And everybody needs to grab a bead frame.
I still need them.
Can someone give Grayson and Alder theirs? Good. Everybody's got one?
No. 2.
All right, beads in the bank. Are you ready to start? What's it telling us to do first? To what? What are those?
Hundred.
Units. Good, Andrew. 2 units, how many times?
4.
4. Go to your green units and, are you ready? 1, 2. Once. 1, 2. Twice. 1, 2. 3 times. 1, 2. 4 times. Go to the next step. What's that say? 110.
4 times.
4 times. 110 once. 110 twice. 110 3 times. 110 4 times. Oh, that was so hard. I'm all sweaty.
That was easy.
That's peasy. Easy peasy. But this next step is a little harder. How many hundreds?
3.
3. And we gotta do 3 hundreds 4 times. Go to your red hundreds. 1, 2, 3 once. 1, 2, 3 twice. 1, 2, 3 3 times. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Exchange for 1,000. 2, 3. 4 times.
Hey, it's
And
multiplied.
stop and take a little breath.
I just noticed something. I just noticed something.
Late, we're in a lesson. Now, did you all take a breath?
No. Yes.
Okay, let's do this next part. 2, 1. What are those? They're on a blue line, guys.
200
Not 200s.
thousands. 2 units.
What are those?
2 tens.
Those are tens. 2 tens. 20 means 2 tens. So you're going to go to your blue tens, and we're going to do 2 tens. How many times?
2.
Just twice. Oh, not bad, huh? 1, 2, once. 1, 2, twice. Scooch them over. Jude, scooch them over, bud. Those tens. Just two of them twice. 1, 2, once. 1, 2, twice. Okay, Leif. Leif. Now we're gonna do what? 100. How many times? Just twice. Go to your hundreds. They're red. 100 once. 100 twice. So hard.
Carry
Yay. What's the last one say? What's the last one say?
3 2 times.
3 what though? What are 3,000? 2 times. So down here. 1, 2, 3. Once. Jude. Down to your green thousands. Move 3 of them and say once. And then 1, 2, 3. Twice. Done. We did it. All right. We just have to write it down. How many units? 8. Oh. So go back to here and put 8 for the units. And they have to touch that green line. It's okay. You can just use it. So 8 units. And how many tens?
8.
8 again. So no, when we write the product, we go back to our original place. Don't go to analysis land. Go back over here for the product. And Jude, same thing. Go find your. Whoa, hang on, Andrew. Find your problem, Jude, and write 8 for the units. And then we said 8 for the tens. How many hundreds? 4. Good, Andrew. On the red, you're going to put a 4. And how many thousands?
My pen doesn't work.
7. And we're writing this with regular pencil, no red pens, okay? And let's read just the product. 7. What? What are those? 1,000. 400.